Once that came loose and just slammed on it.
Here, let me get in there and see this. Nice.
Hey guys, if y'all followed us anytime, you've noticed the last video we turned in, we had a glass breakage on the shower. Got another piece of glass ordered. We're fixing to put a comfort bead down just for that glass to kind of ride on. Alright guys, I got a little bit of a buffer bead set up here. I'm going to let it sit up for 20-30 minutes just to give it a little cushion. And once I lock that glass in place, I've got a gasket that goes on the back side of the glass and locks it in here. So that secures it. So all I have to do is just have me a bead here at the top and a bead at the bottom to give it a pad that once I lock the glass down in these tabs, it shouldn't go anywhere, knock on wood. Alright guys, we got the piece of glass back in there. Got it sealed all the way around. So I'm thinking to go ahead and secure it down. Alright guys, we got that back together. Gonna let it set up. Well, I got a little bit of cushion, let it seal, and see how long this one lasts. All is repaired, back together, got all the seals back on it, everything working great.